Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Beincom, a next generation social hub that combines the familiarity of Web 2 with security and transparency of Web 3. So we'll break down how it works, what makes it different, and the unique 5-year airdrop campings. A quick disclaimer before you check Beincom that this is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and also know big research before thinking to invest in any crypto project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So, Beincom positions itself as a social hub and community platform designed for creators, communities, and businesses. It blends a Web2 style interface that feels familiar and user-friendly. Decentralization of Web3 using blockchain, NFTs, and tokenization to secure accounts and ensure data transparency. Unlike traditional social platforms where algorithms decide what you see and companies control your data, main contributions to return control to the community, which is really cool because auto platforms now have that algorithm. And the project has already shown strong momentum. Here raised $11 million in a private funding round, signaling real backing and ambitions, which is really important to know. And one of the standout features of Beincom is its Meta Legend airdrop capex. And here's the key highlights. A total of 300 million BAC tokens allocated for the airdrop. 5 million tokens distributed every month for 5 years straight. And it's like I said, the biggest airdrop ever, let's say the longest. So you can see so far around 20 million have already been distributed, with 280 million still remaining. The project is designed to reward consistent participation, not just short-term hype, which is really cool. So the best part, the system is quickly and free to join. Beincom estimates that it only takes about 5 minutes a day to participate, which is really easy and the fast way to do. And this is the timeline. So on the left side, we can see the next snapshot is going to be on September 12th of the 2025. And on the right side, you can see the next airdrop is going to be on September 15th of the 2025. So that's really cool. So what sets Beincom apart from the many other projects out there? And right here you can see it. So let's break it down. So first of all is their goal. Right here you can see Beincom's mission is simple but powerful, to strengthen deep connections among communities while fixing problems of traditional social media. Things like hidden algorithms, lack of transparency, and users losing control over their own data, which is really important right now. Second one is technology. The platform blends Web 2 and Web 3. From Web 2 it keeps the familiar user-friendly design that feels just like a normal social network like Facebook and other social media. From Web3, it brings blockchain integration and NFTs, so accounts are secured on chain, transactions are transparent, and users can fully control their digital presence. Third one is a 5-year airdrop campaign. So you can see this on the Beincom's boldest moves, a 5-year long airdrop program where users can claim rewards monthly. It's currently the longest running airdrop campaign in the crypto space, which is really important to know, also giving consistent opportunities for early adopters. And last but not least is the BAC token. So at the heart of the ecosystem is Beincom's native token BAC. It's used for NFT minting, accessing premium features, and participating in ecosystem activities. So the distribution is based on activity, meaning active contributing users and the ones who benefits the most. So how the medal system works. So participation is based on collecting medals, which measure your activity and reliability on the platform. The number of BAC tokens you receive each round is proportional to your medal count. The formula looks like this on the website right here. You can see your medals and total medals x total job distribution. So you can see that means the more active you are, the bigger your share of tokens when the monthly distribution happens. And right here you can see how to join airdrop, but I'm going to do it in real life and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So in the right top corner you have login or sign up. We are going to log in right now, and right here you can see 3 options how you want to log in: Google, Facebook, or X. Right now I'm going to do it with Google, and in a few seconds I'm going to show you what happens next. And after just a few seconds, when you choose your method, you're going to be logged in and you have your own account right now. So by clicking this lucky wheel right here, we are going to the next section. So right here you can see airdrop eligibility. So complete all steps below the eligible for the airdrop. So first of all is activate the BAC wallet. I'm just going to click activate right now. So after just a few clicks, when you make your own password, find your recovery key, you will have like this big wallet activated. So we can click right here, go to my wallet. And right here we can see everything. So we have nothing right now, and we're going to close that right now. After that we can claim these gifts right here, and we can see more details right now. So you can see second one is to install big group app. When you click install right here, you will see the QR code right here. When you scan it for the mobile app, you have it your rewards and mobile app on your phone. And the last one is verify your KYC. So only verified users can receive Airdrop tokens. Complete your KYC to have, like I said, your Airdrop tokens, which is really important to know. After that, right here we can see we have 14 tickets right now, and we can spin it right here. So when we click spin, we can see what is happening. So we can see we have right now 10 lucky medals, and just by spinning we're going to get more medals. Also right here, when you go to the bottom right here, you can see invite your friends, so get extra tickets every friend who joins the big platform. Right here you can see there is your code, and when you click copy it, you can send to someone and get invited successfully, and you receive the number right here. So that's simple, just like I said. And the rules for the existing users: if you already claimed before, you'll need to meet special monthly requirements. For example, in September, the conditions to check at the least 10 times on the platform, and snapshots is taken around 13 of the month every month, and tokens are distributed a few days later. So there's also an onboarding bonus. Every Tuesday, new users get an email with a quiz. Completing it earns you 50 space tickets, but you get this email once. Also, KYC is required to participate. For most international users, a password works for automatic approval. If you don't have one, you can use your citizen ID card with manual verification. Manual KYC may require extra documents such as proof of residence and a clear ID photo. This ensures full transparency and prevents fraud, one of the major issues in past Airdrop projects that were happening on the other projects. So BAC is the token powering the Beincom ecosystem, and it can be used for NFT minting for identity and badges, ecosystem activities like donations, boosts, and premium features, and eventually participation in community governance. So by connecting engagement with token rewards, Beincom is building a social fee model that combines social networking with real digital ownership. And now, after this, when you go back to Beincom first page, that in a few clicks, when I click right here, in a few seconds we can see their feed. Right here you can see it looks like, let's say, Facebook, but with Web3, like I said, security. Right here you can see announcements for the medal snapshot airdrop, and we can see notifications right here. Also right here you can see your wallet, your profile. Also you can see everything right here. And also this is the BAC chat, which is a really cool feature. And right here you can see the investing.com make article about Beincom. Right here you can see the title said Beincom kicks off 300 million BAC tokens airdrop to drive Web3 adoption, which is really important for new users and to make bigger community, let's say like that. So by scrolling down we can see more about their article right here, and I highly recommend to anyone who is interested to check this article, because information is really good, because research is the most important thing in crypto space. And also I didn't mention, when you go back to this feed, you first time you'll have some topics to select, like let's say crypto space or food or animals, anything, so you'll make your feed to look like how you want it to look. So that wraps up our review of Beincom. In summary, we can say Beincom is more than just another app. Right here you can see it's an experiment blending Web 2 and the Web 3 transparency with their airdrop of 5 years, which is the biggest airdrop ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.